Okay guys, we got one of our customers is complaining that the AC does not work on number 1, 2, 3. It works only when you all the way on 4. Now the problem with that, it's this part right here. This goes air blower resistor is actually burned, and as you can see right here, it's not like it's missing pieces and like all is broken, so it's not working properly, you know. So this is what it's actually, you know, I tap it and it start working. You can hear the air blower working on it, but this is what actually is causing the whole problem right here. All the build up right here, build up on the other side, you know. And this is why it's not working on 1, 2, and 3. It only works on number 4. So she's gonna need a new blower resistor on it. So we'll see if she wants to fix it or not. We'll let you guys know how it works after that. Have a good one. I hope this helps anybody, somebody out there.